Small teams need communication tools that deliver enterprise-grade features without enterprise complexity or cost. Let's look at the best VoIP phone systems for small teams. VoIP adoption continues to grow because it works. Small businesses see real savings compared to traditional phone systems, and in 2026, essentials include AI-powered call routing, mobile apps, and CRM connectivity. Cloud-based systems eliminate hardware, scale easily, and keep costs predictable. The key is choosing a provider built for small teams, not enterprise checklists. Small teams operate differently. You need everyone reachable, customers routed quickly, and zero room for missed calls that cost deals. Cloud VoIP makes this possible anywhere your team works. VoIP replaces physical infrastructure with internet-based calling. Your team can answer business calls from anywhere using one number. Costs drop significantly, with VoIP typically running far less per user than legacy phone lines, especially for long-distance calling. VoIP also unlocks features once reserved for large companies. Auto attendance, voicemail transcription, analytics, and professional call routing help small teams compete with much larger organizations. When evaluating features, focus on fundamentals. Reliable call handling, smart business hours, and dependable voicemail matter more than complexity. Mobile apps should fully mirror desktop functionality while keeping personal numbers private. Built-in video conferencing reduces tool sprawl, and AI now plays a meaningful role with voicemail transcription, call summaries, and intelligent routing. When comparing providers, look beyond features. Pricing transparency, contract flexibility, setup simplicity, customer support, mobile app quality, integrations, call quality, and scalability all matter. Modern VoIP systems give small teams powerful, professional communication without complexity. Phone.com delivers reliable service, transparent pricing, and features designed specifically for small businesses. Get started in minutes at Phone.com.